Hey Jazz.
Hi.
Nice
Unboxing
lemon.
a huge lemon. So it's not gonna be enough for all of us?
I don't think so.
Wait. So all of this
For one person?
for one person?
Two maybe.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's like
A lot of what?
It's like just this.
But that's still a lot for one person.
Two maybe.
Hello, Irene. I don't want to like cut it, stab it, kill it, you know. Trying to.
I hate that fruit.
You.
Because of that.
Oh, okay. Please, Christine, just be positive for now. We're scratching the surface. It's not pink.
It shouldn't be pink inside.
Maybe it's not right.
Should. Then it's a lemon.
But I think the ripe one, the sweet one is pink.
So this is not sweet?
That one is pink.
It's not even right.
It was yellow from the outside.
You literally stripped it for nothing.
Open it and we'll try it.
It's hard.
Maybe use your bare hands and go.
Yeah, you sanitize your hands so it's fine.
Can't we like use this for anything?
See, it's easier.
I don't know.
Like a loofah.
A waste of.
Seriously. Now you'll be smelling like pomelo.
Ew, what a nice smell.
Almost there.
Almost there. Like, give me 3 hours and I'll be done.
9 months later.
Yeah.
Can't you like, you know, rip it up? Yeah, try that.
How the hell did they?
This is difficult.
Why the hell did they deliver this to you?
I don't know. Okay, Christine, our expert, please come over. Because I think this is not working out.
It's still thick skin. How can you eat it?
I don't think it's gonna be eaten anyways. Like, not even juicy. Taste.
Oh my god, it's so sour.
What?
Pink.
It's not
If it's pink, it's sweet. If it's this,
good. Eat. Because you laughed. I'm sorry. Irene? Irene? Now.
no, because it's too thick. It should be eaten this way.
Eat.
Is this how you eat it?
Yeah.
So you don't eat the skin?
I don't like to. It's bitter.
Oh! No, the face! The face! No! No!
Irene, you're next.
No.
Irene. Irene.
Yes, please!
You're next.
No.
But she's still going for it. Like,
Yeah.
It's sour, but no.
Sour?
no, it's sweet.
Huh?
It tastes like oranges.
Yeah.
Me.
Try one.
The one I got tastes like orange.
Yeah, mine too.
It's not sour.
What's wrong with your taste buds?
At least I have.
Taste